Hi guys, we are working on math session 5 today, and if you are following the map, you would be doing this on April 16th. You don't have to, just reminding you. So today, session 5, it's called Unit 7 assessment. There is not going to be a formal assessment. It's kind of a culminating activity about what we've been working on, and it is going to be our board game one more time. The first time we played our board game, we went from 1 to 60. The next time we went from 61 to 120. Today, we're going to put them all together. So you shouldn't need to create any part of the game board. You just need to make sure it goes from 1 to 120. The only new thing you need is the spinner for session 5. And right here, it's in your Schoology folder under session 5. And what's different about it is it has a 1, 2, 5, and 10, which was the same. We had, remember, the flower pot, the trash can, the bench, and the fence. But then we're adding a 20 and a 30. And that's going to, first of all, make your brains think a little bit more. But also, since we're going all the way from 1 to 120, that's going to kind of speed up your game a little bit. So you might need to make a new spinner. Other than that, everything is the same. So yeah, the rules are the same. Everything is the same. Might take you a little bit longer because there are bigger numbers and you're going farther. After that, there is a home connection page that goes with today's lesson. And it's a front and back. And on this page, it's going to show you a path like we have been doing earlier this last week, actually. So it's going to ask you what number belongs in each of these empty boxes. So the fence begins on 32. So if we remember correctly, the fence is 10 steps long. So what number belongs in the box at the end of the fence right here? We started at 32. That means we need to add 10 since this is 10 long. And your number can go in there, and it also asks you to write it right here. So we're going to go 32 plus 10 more. So remember, you can think of your hundreds chart moving down one. You can think about counting by tens, or you can count on with your fingers. But the answer for this first one is going to be 42. Okay, then you can keep going, and the back side of the page, the other one over here, is going to be the same. Same kind of thing, same kind of questions, okay? So that's all you have for today. You don't need to save this board game any longer unless you want to. It could be fun if you get the hang of it and you want to play more. You can keep it, but I'm not going to ask you to get it out again for any math lessons. We're going to learn a new game soon. So, all right, that's it for today. I will see you guys later.